Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start with part 4, the last part of our lesson Equations and Inequations. Objectives: at the end of this video, students will be able to solve an inequality of first degree with numerical coefficients in one unknown. Represent the set of solutions on the number line. Materials: before we start, we need our book, draft papers, pen, ruler, and calculator. Solution of an inequation. Solving an inequation. Example: to solve the inequation 3x minus 2 over 5 minus 2x plus 1 over 10 greater than or equal x plus 1 over 2. Step 1. We transform to the same denominator. We make a common denominator by applying multiplication rule. So here we have 5, 10, and 2. The common denominator among these three fractions is 10. We multiply 5 by 2 and 2 by 5, so we get the following fraction. Now we eliminate the denominator to get 6x minus 4 minus 2x minus 1 greater than or equal 5x plus 5. Step 2. We isolate the unknown and group it on one side of the inequation. We move the variables to one side and the numbers to the other side. So we get 6x minus 2x minus 5x greater than or equal 5 plus 4 plus 1. Now we reduce both sides to get minus x greater than or equal 10. Step 3. We divide both sides of this inequation by the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is -1, which is a negative number. So when we divide by a negative number, we change the direction of the inequation to get x smaller than or equal -10. Application: solve the following inequation. Please pause the video and try it by yourself. Solution: of course, in step 1, we need to make a common denominator, so we multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. The common denominator is 6. So we get the following inequation. Now we eliminate the denominators 6 and 6 and we expand both sides at the same time. So we get 12x minus 9 smaller than 30x plus 8. In the following step, we move the variables to one side and the numbers to the other side. Now we reduce to get -18x smaller than 17. Now the coefficient of x is -18, which is a negative number. So we divide by -18 and we change the direction of the inequation to get x greater than 17 over -18. So x greater than -17 over 18. Graphical representation of the solution. How to represent the solution of an inequation graphically. The solution of an inequation can be represented on a number line. For example, x is smaller than 2. When we say x is smaller than 2, the solution of x is the set of all numbers that are smaller than 2, where 2 is not included in the solution since we have no or equal under the smaller than. How to represent it on a number line? First of all, we draw the number line, then we locate 2 on the number line. When we say x is smaller than 2, the numbers that are smaller than 2 are located to the left of 2 on the number line. So we draw an arrow to the left. Since 2 is not included in the solution, we draw an empty circle around the number 2. If x is smaller than or equal to, the set of solutions of x is all the numbers that are smaller than 2 and including 2 at the same time. We draw a number line, we locate the point 2, the solution is to the left of 2, so we draw an arrow to the left. Since 2 is included in the solution, we draw a colored circle around the number 2. Examples: if x is greater than 2, the set of solutions such that x is greater than 2 are all the numbers greater than 2 where 2 is not included in the solution. So we also draw a number line. We locate the point 2 on the number line. The solution of the inequation is to the right of 2. So we draw the arrow to the right. Since 2 is not included in this solution, we draw an empty circle around the number 2. Application: solve the following inequation and represent the solution graphically. Please pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Solution: 3 times 2x plus 5 minus 3 greater than or equal 5x plus 11. First of all, we expand both sides. Second step, we move the variables to one side and the numbers to other side. Then we reduce to get x greater than or equal negative 1. Now let us represent the solution on a number line. First of all, we draw the number line. We locate the point negative 1. The solution is greater than minus 1, so we draw the arrow to the right of minus 1. Since we have or equal, minus 1 is included in the solution, so we draw a colored circle around negative 1. Assignment: please review from your textbook the following pages. Homework: please do the following homework from your textbook. Summary: please read the summary of the whole lesson carefully and take notes on your copybook. Try to memorize it. Thank you very much.